Welcome to Twins World, all about parenting. Is your child lying? Don't worry, my children are also lying. Let's see how to deal with this particular issue. We can expect our children to start telling lies from 2 to 3 years. It is not because the moral value of lies will come there. They casually start talking because they want to cover up the mistakes what they do and they don't want to get into trouble. For example, my Enoch and Keith, we were playing down and they have a friend in a floor above us. So Keith wanted her to come down. So he told me that he wanted to go to washroom. I said okay. Since he was not coming back within another couple of minutes, I came back home to search where kids are. Both went together and they were not at home. If my husband knows that they did not reach home and they are not there down, don't will kill me. I started going up and down all the floors except this floor. My mind said they may be in 4th floor. By the time I was about to reach 4th floor, they came by stairs to the ground floor. So I reacted very badly because they kept me in loop for 5 to 10 minutes and I literally became panicked because kids were missing for that particular time. They did not mean to tell lie, but they understood that their mama will react to whatever has happened. Another reason for them to tell lie is they don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. So we may call it as white lies, and society accept the white lies in children, but I don't want them even to have a white lie because white lie, dark lie, there is nothing called the lies classification. Lie is always a lies. More than that, our toddlers or young children they're very good in cooking up stories. So these stories what they make can bring up or add on the intensity of their expression so that the stories will be much better. As the age goes bigger, that is when they become 4 to 5 years or 6 years, the tendency of telling lie will be more because their vocabulary is better, their vocabulary is better and their expressions are better, and we may not able to understand their telling lie. This way they tend to improve in telling lies. When they become a school and adolescent, if this character is not corrected, they will be perfect liars where as parents or elders we are not able to understand that they are telling lies. So it is very mandatory from childhood to make them understand to not tell lies. Now let's see how we can correct our children. First thing what we can do is encourage our children to tell the truth, because when the parents are telling truth, the children tend to tell the truth. So make the family policy that no lies in the house, and if something happening to you and children are identifying you are telling lie, don't mind to say sorry to them, because it is not for you, it's for your children to understand how to correct themselves even though they start with a lie. So first thing what we can understand is we need to encourage them when they tell the truth. Second thing what we need to understand is whenever they tell the truth, appreciate them. Tell them, I'm so happy Enoch, I'm so glad Keith that you are telling the truth even though you are scared mama may behave in a better way. So this way you are praising them will encourage them to tell the truth. Third one what we can do is appreciate them whenever when they are taking a steps of improving their character. Avoid threatening them when they tell lies, or avoid threatening questions, that is, why did you tell lie to me? I did not expect you to behave like this. So this way avoid this kind of questions, because kids never want to disappoint you. Especially the parents of the opposite gender, they are very much close. So we need to train ourselves, because we know our children are telling lies and we know it is wrong, and understand our children are like coal. We need to sharpen or tune them to a diamond. So it's our responsibility to improve them because they are very crude in nature. And whenever you understand that they are telling lie, what we can do is take them to a room where you and the child is alone and start talking to them very calmly and tell them what has happened really. Tell the truth to mama so that the child will come up with the correct things. They are not the sharp liars or trained liars that 10 times you ask, they will say the same lie. At the very younger age, tender age, they cannot lie to you looking at your eyes. So deal with them very calmly so that they will come up with the correct story. And when they tell the truth, do not harm them and do not call them liars at any point of time, because don't stamp them, because that can write upon for their future. Handle the deliberate lying of children with much caution. And when the child is telling lie to you, maybe they may be scared about their safety. So tell them that you are safe when you are telling the truth. No one is going to harm. So this way, our dealing with the children can really change the character of the child. And moreover, as the child is growing bigger, there may be homework, they may be saying there is no homework, or the teacher may be scolding them. They may not come and tell us all these things, and we will come to know some other feedback. So we can expect this kind of nature in your children. It is not because you are not taking care of your child. And when you're taking care of the adolescent also, be very careful. The more freedom you are giving for the expression of their feelings to you, the children will be more open. Otherwise, you can expect the child to be a big liar whom you are not able to understand whether they are telling the truth or lie. So this mainly depends upon the character of the parents. Hope you understood how important is parenting for bringing up good children with good and strong moral values. Till we meet up with another interesting topic next week, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.